today on an adventure, just me and my niece Madison. Going to spend some time with her today because I haven't seen her in forever due to this quarantine, but we're still allowed to go on the hiking trails and things like that. So I think we're gonna go geocaching and then grab something to eat. She also has new kittens, so I want to see those too. So let's go on an adventure, shall we? Oh, look at these babies. What is their names?
This one's Kodak and that one's Blanche.
Oh my god, Blanche. I freaking love that name, Blanche. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, look at these babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 babies. Mama and Daddy just enjoying this beautiful day. They're so cute. Look at the little bulb. 6 of them. This is so pretty. Oh, so we're off geocaching. This is supposed to take us to a top of a waterfall. So that should be nice to explore. So we made it to the top. So pretty. Look how pretty it is. It's very peaceful down here, for sure. We're finding all kinds of stuff and tracks, animal tracks. Oh! Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there's a little yellow bird there. That was pretty. Look how cute this geo is in a glass container. But yeah, look, there's like a little crick here. So cute. This is so gorgeous, geocaching, spending time with my niece. This water is so pretty. Oh, so nice.